Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grand Master Jeddalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're back with more Left 4 Dead. A couple things before we get started. Remember, this channel is on the value for value model, so if you got any type of value from this video, please give something of value back, whether it be your time, talent, or treasure. More on that in the description below. Keep in mind that YouTube is still very much broken, so make sure you're still subbed to the channel. If you were and now you're not for some reason, please go ahead and resub. And if this is your first time watching, go ahead and hit that sub button. It's free, it costs you nothing. And I do have a GoFundMe page open. A link to that is also down in the description below. All donations are going towards helping me pay a source filmmaker animator that will be helping me animate the Invasion of the Dead reboot. Been trying to get that reboot out to everyone for over 2 years now, so please donate what you can if you can.
Let's do it.
All donations are accepted and greatly appreciated. And if you can't donate, please share the link around to your friends, family, and on your social media. So that all being said, let's get into this. So we did 2 maps of Death Toll last time, so now we're going to do the rest of Death Toll in this video. So that's usually how I'm going to do it. Otherwise, these videos would be really, really short, so that's just how it is. So anyway, what we got out here? Oh, I was going to say maybe do some sniping, but there's no extra sniping thingies. You know what? I'm gonna fucking heal up again, because you know what? Fuck these bots. They almost let me die last video to a witch, so fuck them. Here we goes. Wait, I'm gonna clear up some of the stragglers out there. Yeah, there's a straggler. She's fallen, she's dead. There's another one. Alright. Wait, there's another guy over there. Okay. Oops, okay. Reload. I said, oh, I did. Okay. Let's go. Here we go. Let's get the show running. Everyone back to the cake. Everyone back to the train car. Everyone back to the train car. Opening the door. I'm closing the door. No, I'm closing the door. Oh, there's some guys coming from over there. Reloading! There's some guys coming from over there. Anyways.
I'm reloading.
Let's do this.
Reloaded! I have a bad feeling.
Oh, oh, his head's gone. Sounds like something's on the other side of this. Oh, he's dead. Got some pills here. Got a pipe bomb here. A Molotov there. Pipe bomb going out there. Alright. Come on, guys.
Reloading! There's something to cry about. Kill that light.
problem. Take care of that with that. Down she goes. I mean, down he goes.
Up the stairs. Got a weapon here.
Where's she at? No, I'm getting back inside. Come in here, you idiots. If they're coming. Yeah, you guys fight them off. There you go. Good job. Oh, yeah, you get him. Yeah, you hit that guy. You shove him back. There, I shot one. I did my part. Oh, they're coming.
Look out!
Yeah, I don't know where she's at. Where is she?
Let's stick to the road.
Got that son of a bitch.
Almost to Riverside.
Weapon over here.
Where is he? Never mind. I'm gonna go down this little road.
Reloading.
He doesn't sound happy. Holy crap, here comes Jesus, and he doesn't look too happy. Who's he going after?
Reloading.
Oh my god. Oh, it's because God's heaven helps me. It's because I'm old. It's because God. Okay, he's dead. Good job. I get shot out the window. What's in here? Oh, just pills. We could have used you like, I don't know, a few minutes ago. And that tank was there.
Reloading. Reloading.
Okay, come on.
Reloading.
Don't dawdle. Oh, there's a fatty. There he goes.
Oh, nice. A cabin in the middle of nowhere. I know how this movie ends.
You do? Does it end with us surviving? Seems like a nice, quiet little place. Spend the night, you know. We can just sleep here, you know. All that. Hello there. I'm getting in the bathroom. I'm getting in the bathroom. Oh, somebody's getting raped. Oh, there goes Zoe. She's getting pulled away. Let's close this door.
Get my bag. Ammo here! Boomer!
Oh, there's Fatty over there. What's the sign say? Welcome to Hell. Or Riverside with hell sprayed over it. Okay. That's nice. No trespassing. Well, we're gonna trespass because the safe house is this way.
There's lights on in that church.
There is. Oh, yeah. Okay. Nothing much in here. I'm gonna take this. Toss it over that way. Light a fire. Take this one. Chuck that into the fire. Let all those motherfuckers burn up. Yeah. Yeah, gonna let them burn up. Yeah. Yeah, gonna burn up real nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna burn up nice. Yeah. 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 Aww. They're dead.
Reloading! Reloading!
Won't fool me twice. Better safe than sorry. I can't believe he bit me in it. Better safe than sorry. No matter how human they look. Won't be fooled twice. I
Okay.
can't believe he bit me in it. I never should have let him in. I can't believe he bit me. Better safe than sorry. Who's there? Is someone there? I've got a bell in here. Is someone there? I can't believe you bit me. No! You think you're special with your leather jackets and your fancy blood?
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna ring this bell. I'm gonna ring the bell. And they'll come and they'll finish the job. Ding dong! Ding dong! Dinner served! Come and get it!
I don't believe this.
Everyone get inside. See that? Did it.
Heal up.
Heal up, Lewis.
I think it's picking up some feedback from my computer or something. I don't know. I don't like this microphone. Microphone sucks, but it's the only microphone I've got, so I gotta deal with it. Okay. I'm my heels.
Looks like Riverside couldn't hold it together.
If we get to the river, we can find a boat.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Alright, so I'm gonna do some snapping. We're gonna do some snapping. Okay. He's dead. He's dead. Dead. I'm a snapper. Hey, look, there's Joe Biden. Oh, there's somebody. Oh, right in the skull. Oh, I missed. There he goes.
Reloading!
Uh-oh, there's a smoker out there. Alright. I don't think I can do any more snapping. Stay here where it's kind of safe. There's somebody. There he goes. I don't see anybody else. Alright, let me get my assault rifle. And we're go. Uh-oh.
Hunter out there.
He's dead. Where's the boomer? Uh-oh. Everyone's to the back of the truck. Back of the truck. My man. Oh, shit.
Reloading!
Oh, it's this guy's. I'm kind of panicked out.
I'm reloading.
Okay, through the... What the hell? I think I got him. Yep.
I'm reloading.
Reloading!
There he goes.
Reloading! Ammo here!
In here. Anything? There's a dude there. Nobody there. Did you get him? Oh, gods. Good lord. Nope, getting into the truck. Oh, he's dancing. Oh, it's just gods. Okay. We got this. It's quiet. Too quiet. You know what that means? Tank. getting ready.
Got a weapon here.
I don't like it's too quiet. Okay. Dance in the fire. You're all gonna dance in the fire. Uh-oh, somebody's... Oh, well. Come on, gents, move like
Reloading.
Reloading.
Oh, crikeys. Everyone back here. Okay. Step lively.
This way.
I'm coming, Bill. Keep your beard on.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Okay, I'm out of ammo. Look out, Lewis.
Reloading.
It's a witch.
Reloading!
Weapons here.
All right,
Reloading!
let's clear out this area.
Reloading.
Let's go back.
Grabbing
Reloading.
Get more ammo. Where are we gonna hold up?
Now this is a big-ass machine gun.
I know, but we're not using it. Where are we holding up? We're gonna hold up. We'll hold up right here, I guess. Yeah, we'll hold up right here. Okay. Sounds like a plan. Wait, let me take care of that guy. Okay. We'll hold up right here. We're gonna hold up. We'll go here. We're gonna hold up.
Those bastards are in
Oh god, we got a round 2 coming. Reload, boys. Are you coming from this way? Yeah, they're coming from this way now. Go back this way. Back this way. Alright. Let's go. Grab some ammo. And we're gonna go. It's probably gonna be a tank, so good thing I still have my Molotov.
reloading.
Oh, he died midair. Yup. This thing. Goes that thing. Back I go. You think? I know what I'm doing. Sort of. Where is he? He's right beneath me, isn't he? Oh, oh, there he is. There he goes. Reloading! Wouldn't it be something if there'd be a... Oh, God.
Nice shot.
Reloading. Reloading.
Okay. Let's go in here. Nope. Not fire.
Up the stairs.
He's dead.
Reloading. Reloading.
Okay, we're almost there. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Get in good.
Okay. Let me heal ups. Oh, I could have just... Okay, never mind that. Alright, let's hit it. So, I can't English. Anybody over there? No, there was nobody over there. Anyway, that guy's dead. Alright, anybody... Uh-oh, uh-oh.
This will do. Check that house for supplies.
Did I get that guy? Yeah, I did. Oh, shit.
Over!
Oh, sucks to be that.
Ammo here. Reloading. Through here.
There's a hunter out there.
Hunter's got Bill. No.
You guys are idiots.
Reloading.
There's a tank. That's great.
Reloading.
Question is where is the tank? Here? First I heard, oh! And then I heard, oh, see, there's the, see? He's there. Where, I don't know. Oh, there he is. Oh, shit.
Reloading.
There he goes, he's dead. Oh, he pissed off. He knew what was good for him and he pissed off.
First aid kit here.
I'm gonna heal up.
My back.
Reload.
Reloading.
Okay, got them. Nice goods.
This way.
Hunter!
Hunter!
He's dead.
Nice shooting.
Alright, here we go.
Reloaded!
Onward, folks.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Let's
All
go.
right then, let's do it.
Government.
Grabbing POs.
Attention, anyone with ammo in.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? We're heading to the military outpost upriver. We can come get you in 10 minutes. Arm yourselves for the trip and tell me when to head out.
I think we're ready. We're to hide of the
Let us know
corner up
when you're
there.
ready to be picked up.
Okay. So is it? Okay, let's hit it.
Perfect. Should be there in 10 minutes.
Everyone up here.
Ready.
Everyone get into the corner.
Rescue boat's on its way. Now we gotta hold on.
Look at Lewis down there. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a dead guy. This guy.
Reloading.
Alright. It's tank time. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck me. Jump off. I don't know where... I can't see anything. It's gonna have to throw it. Hopefully it hits the tank. fucktards doing? Oh yeah, now it's gonna come after me. Fucktards.
Watch my back.
Fucking retards.
Reloading!
I'm gonna make my way back up there again. We might have to put this on easy. Oh god. Take that. Yeah, I didn't expect that boomer to be out there. And then the fucktards didn't help me. They just stood there. I'm not helping them. They can help themselves after that shit. Down. Grab ammo. Grab another health pack. Here comes the next tank. There's a boomer over there. There's a smoker. Where the fuck are you guys? Why the fuck you always fucking hiding in the fucking thing? You fucking come help me. You fucktards. You guys are fucking retarded. Yeah, go blow up over there. Oh well, Lewis is gonna die. Sucks to be Lewis. Go over here. Fuck you guys. Yeah, Lewis is dead. No surprise there.
That's the boat. Time to bug out.
Keep moving! Keep moving!
We're gonna have to play the next one on easy because these bots are quite retarded. Okay, come on. I wanna get on the boat. I wanna get on. Well, Padawans, what was that? That was a death toll. So, yeah. Next video next week is going to be the beginning of Dead Air. We're doing Dead Air on easy because these bots are quite retarded, as you can see. If I was playing this with 3 other people, then yeah, I would play this on normal at least, but when you're playing with bots and the bots don't know what the fuck they're doing, yeah, you gotta play this on easy. I mean, if I was just doing normal campaigns, just playing by myself off camera, then I wouldn't care, but... sorry. But since we are doing this for videos, I gotta do it that way, because otherwise these bots will just let me die because they are quite retarded. So it is what it is. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and until next time, my younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights, remember, the Force will be with you always.
Greetings, Padawans. I'm Commander Corvette of the Rebellion. The Grand Master has requested me to convey some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Jeddalo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future missions, such as training cast and crew, along with a possible cup of blue milk. And to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, the severe asthma.